Well, hey folks, how y'all doing? Welcome back. And oh man, I had one of my subscribers ask, hey Tom, have you ever tried the Johnsonville Griller's original Bratwurst on the Blackstone E-Series? And I've said, no, I have not, but I'm going to. Today's the day we're going to, folks. I tell you, we got it set at 500. We've been preheating now for about 5 minutes. And I've got my thermal here. And we're going to see how hot it actually is getting here. Get the cover down, get the cover off. Let's take a look-see. Look at that, 460, just going all the way around. So this thing is, pretty gosh darn hot. And we are gonna put those Johnsonville brats on, original Brat Patties on. And then it's gonna be delicious. Brown them up. Put some buns on there, get them browned up, give you a look-see. All right, it has been about 2 minutes. Man, look at that. Come on. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Ah. Yeah, real nice. Real nice. So I've got some provolone that I'm going to put on this. Oh, you're saying you're kidding me. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's gonna provolone and 2 buns. That we're gonna brown up. It's gonna be delicious. All right, ready to put the buns on. Provolone is it's melting really nice. And we'll put our buns on. And we are just looking to brown these up. And this is I'll tell you what, I can't believe how fast this thing is cooking all this. This is less than 5 minutes so far. All right, it's only about 30 seconds since the last time. But if people ask me all the time, you know, because it's not cast iron, it's aluminum, so it does lose heat. And they say, how quick is it to recover? The key is this cover right here. And that's what helps it recover really quickly. And it gives off the steam. You can see, look at how everything's melting here. Those buns, those are ready. Yep. They are ready to go, and we're ready to make some sandwiches. Give you a look-see. All right, more than a few people have asked me about how the cleanup is. This non-stick surface that's on the Blackstone E-Series. Folks, I just took a paper towel, 3 of them, and cleaned everything off there. Obviously, once it cools down, I'm gonna wash it with soap and water, but I'll tell you what, it cleans up very nice. There's our, oh man, I'll tell you what, we got cheese on there. We've got some homemade pickles on there, and then we got a little bit of the Secret Stadium sauce on there. I know you're saying, Tom, can you take a taste test? I would love to take a taste test. This is gonna be ooey gooey and so good. Oh man, I don't know what to say. On an indoor griddle from Blackstone, this is awesome. Folks, if I can do it, so can you. Super simple, get yourself one of these E-Series. This is a 17-inch. It works phenomenal. And you can pick them up for less than $100 at Walmart. 500 degrees. Thumbs up, leave a comment, and as always, thanks for watching.